What if we didn't leave manhood to chance? What if there was a moment where a boy could be recognized as a young man? Right now, in our society, that moment is missing. Sure, boys get taller, they get older, their voices change, they become more independent. But rarely is there a moment where someone stops them and tells them, this is the moment you're becoming a man. What if you could create that moment? What would it be like if our sons could avoid drifting and avoid searching for identity in all the wrong places and questioning who they are? Now stay with me. Let's imagine together a different moment. Imagine there was a space where boys could be guided, not judged, challenged, and yet supported. What if there was a space where our sons could learn what it truly means to lead, to respect, to carry themselves with confidence and honor? What if there was a moment where this transition was not ignored, but celebrated? That is what Journey to Legacy is all about. It's about restoring something that has been lost. It's about creating that special moment where your son learns that today is the start of his journey to become a man. It's about a journey that builds resilience, strength, and character. This journey is designed to create deep connection between you and your son. Because we don't want our sons to just grow up. We want them to grow up and be a good man. A man with purpose, a man that understands responsibility, and a man who treats others and himself with respect. But here's the catch. That kind of man doesn't just happen. That kind of man is guided, he's shaped by experience, and he is loved by a community who sees him for who he is able to become. So what if we gave our boys this chance? What if we marked the moment with intention, with meaning, and with honor? Because if we stop thinking about the what ifs and just do it, we don't just change their lives, we change the legacy that they carry forward. And that's something that lies far beyond today. So what if we took the next step and created a journey to legacy for our sons? If this resonates, I want you to comment legacy in the chat below. Until next time, I'm Yolandria Tisdale with Journey to Legacy.